Hi, my name is Josh and today I'm going to show you how to reassemble or to assemble the gearbox of the MP7A1 AEG 0.5 Joule. I had a problem. At first the hop-up was broken and then I unscrewed the gearbox and didn't really know how to put it back together, and after a little bit of an experimental phase and 20 times of unscrewing and rescrewing that stuff, I finally understand now how this gun works and what I have to do to put it back together in the right order. So if your gun does something like this, das ist kein gutes Geräusch. Or maybe like that. Oh no, two again. Oh fuck, it's shooting two again. But why? I don't get it. Yeah, then I may help you. If your gun does this, you probably put it wrongly back together. That means you probably put a gear in the right spot, but not in the right angle. There's a little tricky gear. I'm going to show you which one I mean. And if you don't put it in the right direction, it fucks up your whole MP7. Okay, say your gearbox looks like mine. It's totally fucked up in every single way you could possibly imagine, and now you have to put it back together. Yeah, it's really simple. Okay, no, it actually isn't. It is just now simple for me because I did it like 20 times. Yeah, at first you have to put these little rings here back into their place. I will do this real quick. At first, this little piece, that's the reverse stop. I just call it like that. I don't know how it's actually called. Just have to put it in its corner with the spring pointing in the right direction, which it seemed to does, I think. Yes, it does. Okay, that fits right there. Don't have to do anything with this. Next we are looking at this piece. That's the main gear, I would call it. That has 4 parts. This part, top, that connects with the other gears. This under it, which draws the piston, and the one under that draws the nozzle, and the one under that. This, do you even see it? You see these? Focus. You see this little piece there? That's for semi. Battery is getting low, but anyways. So I fixed the gear. I have a little drawing. You see? This is the first way I put the gear. That's wrong. That was the second try. That was also wrong. You have to put the gear like this. This piece here, that's the stopper, and this arrow is the part that connects to the stopper, and you have to put it like this. It means it's a little bit behind the stopper, so the stopper is chilled and everything. I can't explain it really, and I really don't want to reopen it because I just spent 3 hours just trying out different versions of this fucking gear, and in the meantime I thought, oh, maybe it's a different gear, maybe it's something else, but it was this fucking gear. So remember, stopper and the stopper part at the gear. The stopper part at the gear has to point in that direction, you know? Before we can do that, we have to put in the nozzle catch. Here's a little thing here, and there is the feather. You just put it in like that and press it down, and while you press it down you have to push it back, but that's a little bit hard if you don't see anything. No, I think I see it. Yes, nice. Okay, put it back in place. Now you have to, don't shake it. Just don't shake the table or the thing, or it will all explode again. So like I said, here's the little thingy. Yeah, just push it right in there. Just put it in like I told you, that the stopper at the gear is behind the spring powered stopper, not in front like I did here. Next one is this gear. It has to go there, and the one with the huge gear on the top goes right here. Hey, play along like this. Now I just have to put on these black little rings. Somebody knows how they're called. Just now I have to put in the cylinder, and this piece with the nozzle here, this piece, that's the nozzle, I think it's called. It has to point to this thing, so just put it in like that. Now you have to push a little bit, and now you have to rotate this little thing under the nozzle so it can slide in right here like that, and then you rotate the nozzle until it can't rotate no more. Yeah, not the nozzle there. The piston. No, the piston case. That golden thing, you know. Then you look if the piston is in its rails, and it is. So, just checking if everything is where it needs to be. It seems good. Now we take the top part and put it somewhere we can grab it real fast. Now we push in the piston until it locks in down there. Okay, it is. Keep a little bit of pressure on there, or it might explode in our face. Then just put it on, and now we just have to put all little pins in the right spot. They are. Pushing it down, and now we just have to screw everything back together, and that's really simple. I'm just doing it really fast here. I'm back in a second. Okay, all pieces are back together like they should be, and now I'm just putting it back in the stock again. I finally found out how to put the gear in. I'm going mad with this shit, I'm telling you. So, we should fire just one bullet now. One. One. Man, I really don't know if that helped you in any way, but I hope it did, and I'm never going to touch this thing again. Oh, okay, I'm gonna play with it, but I'm not unscrewing anything. Finished. It's okay. It shoots. I'm happy. Okay? Okay. Then I hope you see me and I see you and we see each other the next time, and yeah, bye.